Africa has been colonized and controlled by the Europeans. The West has waged and created and financed most of the wars in African countries. Western countries have survived and became rich because they steal and exploit African natural and human resources. The Europeans don't want African countries to become democratic and independent, because democratic and independent Africa means an existential threat for the Europeans. African countries will never become democratic, free, and independent until African people get power and crush the Western invasion and finally overthrow the colonization from Africa.
أفريقيا وزيجنتي حبرت يمنتي دوبات يعمل اللونية عيوكلني ونعاي بسوق في البحر ساحبرو مزمور سلام دا زمرو من فل لا يدغم يبلون أفريقيا حتى قرتبون.
Africa's divided, colonized by foreigners. I don't believe on the boundaries in all the countries, because African countries are created by Europeans to use and exploit African. Four countries don't represent Africans. They believe in unity instead of division. Regardless of our difference in nationality, culture, or race, we must be united as people, as one Africans. Yeah, the white folks still control Africans. They rule Africa through force by murdering and killing Africans, by creating and financing wars, by controlling politicians and leaders, by exploiting African resources, by enslaving our population, by weakening Africans with no future, no hope. The white man controls everything in our nation, through force and religion, media and information, technology, education, deception, manipulation, aid and donation. Yeah. So after long oppressions, white man, racism and discrimination on African population, Africans started realizing to uproot colonization as a solution. Africans revolt against the white man with stick and stone, with no proper gun or weapon. But the white man won the battle and cut the people and brutally murdered a man. The rest has been incarcerated in prison cell. Yeah.
بزازيم في أفريقيا لربحتهم كبدو كجاز أخي مراحتهم عصبات يوم يعبد يوم أفريقيا حزب خيك على سلوكي بغيل سمو حزب خلنا نحلو زتفعل علي بعالي هايوانو زد تفانني بهاجر ببهدي زغازازي بدحر بالو دادا مروز تأسري حزب خلدي زي ساماما وترنا نحنا نوقا حزب خزسنا تحت حيلنا جوز حسنا دولدتا حزب خقداي دحرت كوينو عد قدي فنت سددو كسخ هابتا من كلو دخلنا تصفح فيو.
The white folks, they don't see Africans as humans, probably as donkeys or monkeys or subhumans or slaves. In the reality, the fact that we learn from histories and from their actions and behaviors, the white man controls African leaders by money and by force, by fake political and economical systems. So African leaders work for the Europeans, not for the interests of Africans. That's why we have to bear arms to overthrow African dictators for our independence and our freedoms and rights, to bring back the power to our lands from the white folks. focus. The white man see Africa as a colony and hinder Africa from development and prosperity, from the freedom and democracy by spreading corruption and literacy. Despite Africa is rich, we're still remaining poor. Despite Africa has all the resources, we're still remaining poor. Despite our land is fertile, Africa is suffering from hunger. Africans imprisonated by European colonization. The white man enjoys stealing and exploitation by creating fake political systems and corruption. The white man must pay compensation to the African population for war, destruction. Yeah, as Africans, Africa must be united. To solve African problems, Africa must be united. To end African wars and conflict, Africa must be united. To defend ourselves from enemies, Africa must be united. Africa to be free, to peace and democracy, Africa must be united. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
ባዕዳውያን ግዛት ሓይልታት ዘድመዩ ንዘመናት ንሞት ዝፈረድዎ ንህዝቢ ብጅምላዊ ህልቂ ዘጽንትኺ ሕብረት እዩ መፍትሒ ሽግና مدمدم دحسن مكرنا عغمز فطرنا نخن حيل أفريكان قدنا بحد نحبر
For Africans, unity is the only solution.